My fellow retail leaders, tracking ROI and outcomes is our rallying call. Today, we choose a future of measurable success. We will not trust in AI blindly. We will track every dollar saved, every customer delighted, every process accelerated. HI-GTM's framework empowers us to turn AI investments into real value. The vision is clear. Use AI to elevate performance and prove it with hard metrics. HI-GTM is here to guide this journey. The world's top retailers already measure AI's impact like a mission-critical operation. Walmart saw 24% YOY growth in Q3 2023, crediting its AI initiatives. McKinsey estimates up to 600 Bs in annual value from AI in retail. Those who failed to adapt risk falling behind. Just look at Sears and Toys R Us, which faltered as competitors embraced AI. In North America, nearly 40% of retailers have adopted AI, rising to 80% within 3 years. Europe's leaders like Carrefour are investing heavily, expecting 600 million in operating income from digital by 2026. AI is a table stakes for survival and growth. We must act now with clear purpose and metrics to secure our place in this new era. To truly harness AI, we need a rigorous ROI tracking framework. HI-GTM's approach focuses on 3 pillars: financial, operational, customer-centric metrics. Financially, we track revenue uplifts, cost reductions, and efficiency gains, e.g., AI demand forecasting cut logistics costs by 15% for early adopters. Operationally, we measure productivity, automation rates, and process speeds, e.g., AI forecasting slashed supply chain errors up to 50%, boosting efficiency 65%. Customer-wise, we monitor satisfaction, engagement, and retention, e.g., personalization delivers 5-8x return on marketing spend. This framework is our North Star. Every AI project must hit targets in one or more of these areas. It ensures accountability. We define success upfront, measure relentlessly, and adjust course as needed. Let's start with the backbone: supply chain and logistics KPIs. AI-driven forecasting and inventory optimization are game changers. Top retailers measure forecast accuracy and stock out rates religiously. McKinsey found AI can reduce forecasting errors 20 to 50%, leading to 65% fewer lost sales. Danone used AI to cut lost sales by 30% through better demand prediction, real money in the register. We track inventory turnover improvements and working capital reductions. Early AI adopters saw 35% lower inventory levels while improving service levels 65%. Logistics KPIs like delivery time and transport cost per unit also improve. AI route optimization and demand sensing drove a 15% logistics cost drop for leaders. And in warehouses, automation metrics shine. Amazon's Kiva robots increased throughput and allowed 50% more inventory in the same space, boosting sales capacity. Bottom line, in supply chain, AI means leaner stock, faster fulfillment, lower costs, all tracked in real time on our KPI dashboards. Next, the customer experience, where AI meets the heart of retail. We measure how AI personalization and service impact our customers. Personalization KPIs include conversion rates, average basket size, and repeat visit frequency. Look at Amazon. 35% of its sales are driven by AI recommendations. That's tracked ROI on personalization. European retailers like Tesco and Carrefour use AI to tailor loyalty rewards. Carrefour's AI-driven loyalty gamification is driving engagement at scale. With HI-GTM's framework, we'll measure NPS and CSAT changes as AI improves service. Chatbot resolution rate is critical. Modern AI assistants can resolve 60% plus of inquiries on their own. In fact, one retailer achieved a 96% automated resolution rate with 97% CSAT. Nearly every query handled by AI with customers just as happy. We track first response time and 24/7 service coverage as well. The goal, delight customers at scale. When we see customer satisfaction scores rise and engagement metrics climb, that's AI's ROI in action, measured and undeniable. Now to marketing and sales performance, turning AI into revenue. We set KPIs for campaign conversion, digital channel ROI, and growth attribution. AI-driven targeting and pricing mean we can personalize promotions like never before. Fast-growing brands get 40% more revenue from personalization compared to peers. We'll track that lift. For example, An AI personalization project boosted new customer conversion by 136% for one retailer. Imagine doubling your conversion rate and knowing AI did it. Another campaign used AI segmentation to raise Facebook ad purchase events by 31%. These metrics, conversion rate, click-through, ROAS, feed our dashboard. Sales attribution is key. We measure how much of sales growth is AI-driven. Amazon's AI not only recommends products, it dynamically prices and optimizes stock. Every quarter, they analyze how these AI systems contribute to revenue uptick. We will do the same. Revenue growth, profit margins, marketing ROI, all broken out to show the AI impact. When AI is a profit center, we'll have the numbers to prove it, persuading even the toughest CFO. Let's not forget the physical store. AI is transforming it too. In-store AI and automation KPIs track how technology elevates brick-and-mortar operations. Think smart checkout adoption. We measure the percent of transactions via self-checkout or just walk-out systems. For instance, Walmart's Scan and Go and Sam's Club's app allow skipping lines. Success is measured in reduced wait times. Some stores cut checkout time by 30% plus and higher customer throughput. Computer vision systems monitor shelves. KPIs include out-of-stock incidents and shrinkage reduction. Carrefour. Italy's AI vision pilot aims to boost on-shelf availability and cut stockouts, directly improving sales. We also track labor efficiency. AI robots handling cleaning, shelf scanning, or inventory counting translate into labor hours saved and lower operating costs. Example: Walmart's floor cleaning robots freed up associates to spend more time with customers, a productivity gain measured in labor allocation. Safety and accuracy KPIs improved too, e.g., error rates in automated tasks. The result is a store that's smarter and leaner, shorter lines, fuller shelves, empowered staff, all quantified and reported. As we implement AI, we tailor our KPI focus to regional realities. North America's retail market is innovation-driven and scaling AI fast, leading the global AI retail market with darn 38% share. Here, ROI expectations are high and immediate. We emphasize KPIs like same-store sales growth from AI, e-commerce fulfillment speed, and innovation-driven cost cuts. Europe, while equally ambitious, operates under stricter regulations. We ensure GDPR compliance in customer data usage and prepare for the upcoming EU AI Act, tracking metrics on AI transparency and trust, e.g., percent of algorithms audited for bias. European giants like Carrefour measure AI success not just in profit, but in sustainability and compliance, e.g., using AI to optimize energy use in stores and tracking carbon reduction, a key EU metric. Both regions seek customer-centric outcomes, but with nuance. NA retailers might push the envelope on personalization, whereas EU retailers fine-tune AI within privacy guardrails. HI-GTM's framework adapts to these differences, ensuring our KPI targets align with local market trends and rules. No matter the region, we stay data-driven and compliant. To maximize AI ROI, we follow best practices like a creed. First, establish a baseline. Measure current performance before AI so improvements stand out. Next, set clear targets for each KPI, e.g., reduce stockouts by 20% in 6 months. HI-GTM's approach uses pilot programs to generate initial ROI proof, then scales success across the fleet. We continuously monitor dashboards. If a metric dips, we investigate and iterate. Employee training is also key. We track adoption rates of AI tools. No ROI if no one uses the tool. For example, when rolling out an AI assistant to call centers, measure agent utilization and handle time improvement. We implement A/B testing for AI-driven initiatives like AI pricing versus manual pricing to isolate impact. And importantly, keep an eye on the financials. Maintain a running ROI calculation, benefits minus AI costs. Many retailers see payback within months when tracked diligently. Finally, communicate wins. When AI cuts forecasting error in half or boosts online sales by 50 millimeters, broadcast that internally. It builds momentum and a culture of measurement. By following these practices, we ensure AI delivers real results, not just hype, and we have the numbers to call it a victory. In closing, remember that what gets measured gets improved. We've seen how Walmart, Amazon, Carrefour, Target, the world's retail titans, are not just deploying AI, they're tracking it relentlessly. They treat KPIs as the language of leadership, translating tech into business outcomes. With HI-GTM's guidance, you too will build an AI ROI dashboard that lights up with each success. Costs falling, revenue climbing, operations humming, customers smiling. This is a future where every AI dollar is accountable. We will lead with confidence, armed with data and results. Our message to the market is unmistakable. AI in retail is a performance engine, and we can prove it. Let's embrace this challenge, measure what matters, and secure our place at the forefront of retail's new era. Thank you.